Hello, Layla. I am so glad you reached out to me. I'm sorry you're having issues with accessing the material. So I'm going to walk you through how to get onto your online textbook and also the online assignments that I have assigned to you. All right. So first and foremost, you want to Google search. Well, type in, I'm going to go up here at the top, Schoology. So Schoology .dodea.edu. You have to be very particular about logging into Schoology and not doing Schoology.com because you won't get to the same area that you'll need to get to. So Schoology.dodea.edu. From there, press enter. It'll ask you for your login. Make sure you log into your student.dodea account. So student.dodea, so mine is Monique.Jones. Once you get to this page, you know you're in the right place. From here, you'll see these four boxes. Click on these four boxes and you should have a link that says Pearson Realize. Click on the Pearson Realize link and it may prompt you, like I thought, to do your Schoology account again and your Dodea account, I'm sorry. And then, now I'm not sure if you're going to have this page or if they're going to ask you to create an account. One way or the other, you're going to have to create your account and they'll ask you questions like, is your first language English? You say yes. They'll ask you what kind of screen icon you would like, what you would like your screen to look like. And you have all different types of choices. So click through that. It's real easy. Once you click through it, then you'll be basically signed into Pearson Realize. So if this is what you see, you should see one item that says grade 8 U.S. history. You want to click on American history middle grades. And here is what it will look like when you get here. I have chosen the compass. I need to find my way out of everywhere. So here's the picture that you'll see. Now, when I make assignments, you will notice that an assignment will be here under the classes, under the red classes. So if you click on red classes, your view is going to be much different from my view, but you'll be able to see all of your assignments. Now, let's see, you want to get back to the screen that we were at. Just click on the Savas Realize and you'll be here. If by chance you don't have any of assignments listed in your classes, then your next step will be to go to Browse. Excuse me. From the browse area, you'll be able to find what we're working on. Now, it said on the instructions, topic 6.1. So topic represents the chapters. So we're on chapter 6. So topic 6, here, the age of Jackson and the westward expansion. The point and the number behind the point represents the lesson that we're on. So we have just completed Lesson 1, 6.1. So Lesson 1 talks about Jackson wins the presidency. Once you click on that, it'll give you an array of activities and text readings. Now, prior to you coming, the students were given the text readings. So text 1, text 2, text 3, 4, and 5. And you may want to read over these because it'll make the interactive assignments a little bit more self-explanatory. And so how you'll do that is you'll just click in the tab and the reading pops up. And from the reading, you read the highlighted or bolded points will give you the definition of the words, and then you'll turn the pages based on that. And then any images that you see, you can click on them and make them bigger. And once you get to the end of each text reference, there's always a multiple choice question for you to answer. All right, so exit out of this with the exit button and it'll lead you right back to the beginning. So for the assignments that you have for this week, are the interactive timeline, changing voting rights in the early America. That was on the intro the intro video that I sent you on a link. Then there are the I want you to go next to the interactive chart, political parties in the age of Jackson, and then from there, the interactive chart of causes and effects of Jacksonian democracy. Then from there, here are the two biographies, Andrew Jackson, John Quincy Adams, which links up to the document that I sent you or that you see with the biographies, and it has 10 questions. And you are to either say that it's Jackson or it's Adams. All right. I hope, oh, and here's the quiz. The last thing that you'll have to do if you click on the quiz, you'll be able to do it. It's 5 questions. Please feel free to go back and look back at the text links for this. Now, Miss Jones, I'm not quite sure how to get on the eText. How can I do that? All right. Anywhere, let's start from the beginning. I'll go back to the Savaz Realize, and here at the search, type in E and then capital T for text. And I don't think it's case sensitive, so I think you'll be all right without capitalizing the T. And then you click the search button. You want the American History Middle Grades eText. Click on that. Open in a new window. Yes. And we should be here shortly. And voila, here we are. Here is your eText. What you can do to get to where you need to quicker, click on the menu and the table of contents, and it will have everything that you need to the age of Jackson, so you'll click on that. Also, for a quick reference as well, you can hit the arrow or the triangle and it'll lead you to each one of the quick sections that you'll need. So section 1, and it'll get you there, and then you can do the reading as such. Hit next. You can even watch a flip video of the section if you want to. And so once you click next, you can actually read through, and it's real fancy. If you want someone to read to you, click on the little sound button here, and someone on the other end will read the section for you. All right, Layla, and anyone else I send this video to, I hope this helps. Layla, Miss Jones is now in Nashville at the moment, and I won't be back in class until the first week in March, which I think you're going to beat me to it. But anyway, there's a wonderful sub named Miss Elliott that's there, and she is extremely helpful, and she knows that you'll be coming soon. But anyway, I hope this helps. Enjoy your time here in Italy. I hope you're enjoying your time here. I know you're in TLF, bless your heart. But anyway, if you need anything, I'm an email away. Toodles. Bye.